Hi, so in this video, I want to show you how to make your own antibiotics. Instead of taking antibiotics drugs, you can make your own natural antibiotics. This works as well as chemical antibiotics without the side effects. I talk about my story with antibiotics in another video that you can see up there. Here in this video, so I show you how to make your own capsules of antibiotics. How does it work? So whenever you have an infection and your doctor gives you antibiotics to take, instead of taking these antibiotics, you make your own, and I promise you it works as well as the chemical ones, but better and no side effects. What you need is essential oil of oregano. So there are different types of oregano. So there is Oreganum compactum. That's this one. I don't know if you can see it. It's written here. Oreganum compactum. That's the best type of oregano you can use. What you usually find very easily everywhere is Oreganum vulgare. So Oreganum vulgare is not bad, but it's not the best. The best one is this one, Oreganum compactum. So I really recommend this one for your natural antibiotics. If you can't find Oreganum compactum, take Oreganum vulgare, but again, if you can find it, it's better. You use these capsules 00. I take this size because then you can blend with more olive oil. So you need to always blend your essential oils, and especially strong oils like oregano oil, you need to blend it with another fat. It can be olive oil, it can be coconut oil, it can be any type of fat, ghee, butter. So you take one capsule, you blend, you put 2 drops of the essential oil in the capsule, and you fill up the rest of the capsule with olive oil. 2 drops maximum per capsule. If you need to take 4 drops, that is the case for the antibiotics, you need to take 4 drops. So you take 2 capsules, you put 2 drops in one capsule, and you fill up the rest with olive oil, and you take another capsule and you do the same, and you took 2 capsules 3 to 4 times a day during 5 days. Okay, this is the posology, this is the dosage you need to take. So it's 4 drops of oregano oil 3 to 4 times per day for 5 days. So again, 4 drops is 2 capsules, and you take these capsules right before each meal or during each meal for 5 days, not less. So you will see that your symptoms start to really disappear after 48 hours. But even if you don't have any more symptoms, you need to keep taking the essential oil for 5 full days. Okay, it's same as chemical antibiotics, where they tell you you have to take it for 5 days or for 8 days or 10 days. Same with the oregano oil, you have to take all along. Even if you don't have symptoms anymore, you take it until the end. If your infection is very severe, very acute, you can take the capsules 4 times per day. The regular dosage is 3 times per day, but if you feel really, really bad, you can take 4 times per day, every 4 hours for 2 days. And then you lower the dosage for 3 times a day until the end. So for example, if you feel very, very bad, you take 2 capsules at 8 a.m. with your breakfast, 12 p.m. with lunch, 4 p.m. with a snack, and 8 p.m. with dinner. And you repeat that the following day, and then the third day you should start to feel much better. So the third day you only take it 3 times a day with breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and that's until the 5th day. And you will see this works as well as antibiotics without the horrible side effects of antibiotics that are fungal infections like Candida. Chemical antibiotics just destroy your immune system, destroy everything, whereas oregano oil targets the bad guys and keep most good guys alive. It's not like antibiotics that destroy absolutely everything. Oregano oil can inhibit the growth of some good strains of good probiotics in your gut, but most good probiotics won't die whereas most pathogens will die. Oregano oil is antibacterial and also antifungal, and it's also anti-parasitic. So it's in my opinion is the best essential oil. For me, if I have to keep just one herbal remedy for everything, for anything, it will be oregano oil, Oreganum compactum. That's my absolute favorite. It literally saved my life 10 years ago. And I never had to take antibiotics again since that time. It's that efficient. So this is oregano oil, and in 100 capsule, I don't put more than 2 drops. If you want to take 4 drops, it will be 2 capsules, so 2 drops in each capsule. This, and then to put the oil, it's good to have something like that, so it's easier rather than taking the big bottle and trying to put your drops. Olive oil, and I just fill up the rest of the capsule with olive oil. And to the top, like as much as I can. Yeah, and now it's good. So now I just close the capsule and I shake it and I just swallow it, and that's it. If you put the essential oil and you don't mix it with olive oil, it will just burn your stomach and digestive system. So it's very important to mix with olive oil, especially for very strong oils like oregano oil. Bye bye.